Ring floodlight cameras automatically light up when they detect movement using advanced motion activation technology. This feature combines security with convenience, illuminating your property exactly when needed. Ring floodlight cameras use passive infrared sensors, or PIR sensors, to detect heat signatures and movement. These sensors provide a 270-degree field of view with a standard detection range of about 30 feet. Setting up motion activation is straightforward. Open the Ring app, select your device, then navigate to Motion Settings. From there, access Light Settings to configure your motion-activated lighting preferences. In the Light Settings menu, you can customize 3 key parameters. Set the activation duration from 30 seconds to 15 minutes, adjust brightness levels from 25 to 100%, and fine-tune motion sensitivity to match your specific needs. Motion zones are crucial for reducing false alarms. You can customize detection areas to focus on specific regions while ignoring others, such as busy streets or swaying trees. This targeted approach significantly improves accuracy. The latest Ring floodlight camera models feature AI-powered motion detection that can distinguish between people, vehicles, and animals. This smart technology reduces false alarms by up to 40% while maintaining reliable security coverage. Fine-tuning your Ring floodlight camera starts with adjusting motion sensitivity settings. This helps reduce false alarms from small animals, weather, and other unwanted triggers. Ring's AI-enhanced motion detection technology has achieved impressive accuracy rates. As of 2024, the system correctly identifies human motion 85% of the time and vehicle motion 78% of the time. Customizing motion zones is crucial for optimal performance. You can define specific areas where motion should trigger the lights while ignoring other zones that might cause false alarms. Advanced customization features are available through Ring Protect subscription plans. These plans unlock enhanced motion detection settings, smart alerts, and additional storage options. For optimal performance, ensure your Ring floodlight camera is within 150 feet of your Wi-Fi router. Poor connectivity can cause delays in motion detection and lighting activation. By adjusting motion sensitivity, customizing detection zones, maintaining good Wi-Fi connectivity, and keeping your device updated, you can maximize your Ring floodlight camera's effectiveness and minimize false alarms.